It's another beautiful autumnal day, although it's actually probably not autumn anymore. It's beginning of November, so I'm going to say it's probably winter already. And let's see what AliExpress has brought for me. Okay, well, what have they brought? Let's get my Harbor Freight knife out and open the parcel. That looks pretty interesting. Let's see what that is. Oh, yes. I think I know what that is. Oh, yes. Haha. Yes. I'll be making a video on this in a little while. But this is a micrometer. Very much so. Yes. I needed that. And I've got a digital one, but I needed a really good one. And really good does not mean digital. Now, what do I have in this container? So let's slice this one open. I'm a little bit more awake this time, so I am unlikely, not impossible, it's unlikely that I'm going to slice myself. Now, what do we have here? Here we have a full set of metric T-handle Allen screws, Allen spanners, wrenches, whatever you like to call them. And why do we have a bag inside a bag? I do not know why we have a bag inside a bag, but the Chinese like to put bags inside bags. So, let's open this up. And we have Allen wrenches, Allen keys, whatever you like to call them. I needed these. So we've got two goodies. Now what do we have here? You can see it's all working towards the micro machine lab. Oh yes! Another thing I needed. Very, very small wrenches. That is something I really desperately needed. I don't have anything quite that small. And that should be good for the very small nuts and bolts. And what do we have in here? We have two more items. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. Oh, rippy. Oh yes. 2 memory cards. Now this is now empty, so we're going to put the trash in it. Put the knife there for the minute. And let's open this one and see what goodies are in here. This might be all of my AliExpress stuff to date. I do have another order I'm going to put in. Oh yes, 2 more parcels in here. They like to put parcels inside parcels, don't they? So let's open this up and see what's in here. And it's another parcel inside a parcel. And what's inside here? I hope it's not another parcel. Oh yes. M3 bolts and nuts. All hex cap. And finally, let's get this lot out the way. I'm just tidying up right now a little bit. And let's see what's in this one. Oh my, it's another parcel. Let's see what... It reminds me of Russian dolls. Okay. Oh, M2. Okay, I'd forgotten I'd ordered M2. So basically, in that massive parcel I had M2, M3, two memory cards, a set of spanners, a set of Allen wrenches, and a micrometer. So there might be more on the way, but I'm quite happy with what I've just had. We'll just have to see where that all goes now.